After class, teachers turn scattered notes into family updates. Generic AI can make that faster, but a polished sentence can still turn one observation into a claim the teacher never saw. Moosie Parent Brief, part of the Moosie Learning Operations Copilot, is an evidence-first review workspace. It turns classroom observations into a teacher-controlled draft, not an automatic message. This public demo uses synthetic data only. We load a classroom objective, observation, optional work sample, and learning focus. When we generate, every output begins as a draft. The source stays visible through review. Moosie's implemented GPT-5.6 path uses the Responses API and structured outputs to draft candidate evidence, parent copy, and a next step action. Local validation then checks every factual claim against its exact zero-based and exclusive source span before the teacher sees the draft. This public walkthrough shows the labeled deterministic demo. Successful live GPT generation is not verified here. The bilingual review surface keeps the English classroom source next to a Chinese parent brief. It offers short and full versions, plus one next lesson goal and a 5 to 10 minute practice. The teacher can edit before approval. Nothing is locked. Now we load a deliberately vague observation. Instead of inventing progress, Moosie shows missing information and blocking review flags. This is a safety result, not an error. A fluent draft never overrides missing evidence. Approval remains disabled until the teacher resolves or dismisses each blocker with a reason. Once the evidence and flags are reviewed, the teacher explicitly approves. Only then does the artifact become ready to share. That status means approved, not sent. Moosie does not automatically message parents. Codex supported the implementation and verification workflow, a traceability matrix, 5 synthetic edge cases, local behavior checks across the interface and domain logic, and explicit visibility for partial or blocked requirements. The demo engine stays visibly labeled. Structured output alone is not factual support. Trust comes from source traceability, visible fallback and failure states, and a teacher who can review, edit, and approve. Evidence before eloquence. AI supports teacher judgment. It never replaces it. From classroom evidence to parent trust.